Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Number 10, firing from 3, no good. Sisikan, pinapik ang bola sa labas. Number 7, Saison, reverse layup, no good. Now to Campaner. Miguel, bumalik Campaner. Toss is over. Attacking, passing it to number 16. Opsima lays it up for 2. Campaner to Morcilla, balik kay Campaner. Now to number 11. Balik kay Campaner, inside. Gulde, fakes, fires, blocked by Himino. Now to number 22. Balik kay number 10, aatake. Mojado open for 3. Bang! First 3-pointer of the game made by Mojado for Barangay Balintawak. 5-0 run for Barangay Balintawak here. Campaner to Morcilla. To Gulde. Attacking sa gitna. Napatigil. Over the head pass. Sisikan tips the ball outside. Out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Napulan. And a nice shot there by number 21 of Barangay Napulan. Okay, bangko eh. Diara silang. Opsima. So number 9. 3-pointer, no good. Saison with the rebound. Low post, turns around, stops, ball strip from his hands. At mananatili sa Barangay Balintawak ang bola. Relax na kay commentator. Mojado. Now to Sisikan. Traveling violation committed by Sisikan.
Traveling violation.
Sarap buhay kay commentator rin. Sandig-sandig lang ba? Morcilla outside to Gulde. Balik sa loob. Now to Ringal sa gitna. Short. Rebounded by Sisikan. Now to Opsima. Opsima behind his back to Mojado. Traveling violation committed by Mojado. Uy, shout out mga Lodi. Sa live rako kalantaw kay di ko kauli na ako sa Lanao. Sa akong asawa kay di ko kaagi sa Malabang. Kay nagbakbaka na pod sila diha, pinusilay na pod. Wako kauli sa pagrian by Sams Kandato. Choy, uy, amping mo diha, no? Diha sa Lanao. No, amping mo kanunay diha. Lagari commentator overtime. James Kagiwa, shout out boss Jojo Loy, iyahan na po dyan na pulan. Go Balintawak. Go po lagi og tingog no kay na siya kwan. Hiningan sana dili basag. Lagari kita karon. Sino? Mag-laptop ako. Otro po. And a substitution. And a substitution by Barangay Balintawak. 5 in, 5 out. Kini dili yun gansi kay kasulod yun tanan. Lagari muna tayo mga ka-asenso habang hinihintay natin si King Rudik. And 3-5 ang score. Fast break para kay Puerto. And Puerto lays it up for 2 para sa Barangay Balintawak. I-on daw inyong radyo. Alan. Kusgi inyong radyo. Kusgi. Naka-on na? Naka-on naman. Try 215. Channel 215, no? 449. 9 ang ang ano na? 9 ang Balintawak. 69 na 69. Yan, James Kagiwa, shout out. Mana man ni. Hello, Rena Jean Guastumban. Okay, for the update, no, para di ta magsigig balik-balik sa ato ang score sa atong first game, paki-view na lang siguro sa ato ang official Facebook page kay gina-post man dito ang score. Ganina ra mo sig balik-balik sa score god. So, update na lang mo sa ato ang kuano Facebook page ha. Gina-post man dito ang score, final score sa mga games. Ayun.
Foul number 12. Goro.
And shout out sa nagpasakit na ko sa una.
Third team foul.
Maglaway ka na ko Ron Francis Matabalan. Yatira. Shout out direct June Javier.
Deep block.
Score.
Rugby violation.
Now pass para kay number 8. Save the ball pero naipasa sa kalaban. Kalma. Nice speed to sisikan. Inside para kay number 8 for 2. At biglang tabla ang laban. Watching from Cebu. Maris Documento. Shout out kay Gibson pagkabugos, panalay daw ang player. Ayun. And a foul! Muntikan pang pumasok.
Foul number 12. Goro. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Ayan, see you soonest daw pagadian kay Maris Documento. Shout out sa lahat ng nanonood dyan mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang Mindanao and all over the world. Live via Celso Sports Channel. Timeout here is called by Barangay Balintawak as they trail by 4 points with 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Okay, adin ako. Samot, nandin ako ni basahon na unsa na si Alzaina Esparraguera. Sa nagingon din mo. Manamang good ni, shout out Boss Jojo Luy, ya jud ang napulan. Mana magugubasa ni good. High down number 23 atong orange ka jersey by Harleen Lampera. Isa number 23. Ah, Gulde, okay. Puerto. And Calma. Gibutata sa ring. Lahi man wala ako kabasa. Mo man to Jojo Luy ra man gud ang muhang gi-comment ikaw no. Lays it up in the middle for number 8. Ini po nato maklaro na ilang apelyido sa likod ay alang-alang. Saan pagkaklaro nga orange ang print, puti ang stroke. Ah, samot di maklaro. Dili mag-complement ang colors. But reverse layup is good by number 10. Dahil di na ako ka-back read. Oy, kay hinay signal. Hinay internet. Castile for 3. Way off the mark. Rebounded now by Balintawak. Number 8 to Calma. And Calma lays it up for 2. Di na ako ka-back read. Alsay na humantok to Gulde. Turn around and a foul is called against number 12 of Barangay Balintawak.
Penalty.
10 seconds. We're tied at 15.
Foul number 12. Goro. For personal foul.
Four na si Juana. Hoy, four na yung foul.
That's the end of our first quarter mga ka-Asenso. 1-point lead for Barangay Napulan. 16-15. Ah, nana di ay.
In of the first quarter. This quarter's brought to you by Vice Field.
And I think my time is up mga ka-Asenso. I'll be turning the mic to our very own King Rudik of Flip Top. This is your commentator, Gab. Mayong hapon kami kanan and have a nice evening. Gagamit na ka? Karon ba? Nindot oy. Hindi mo madungog yung tingog. Nindot siya. Nakauna na.
So may gamitan eh.
Wala kami madungog. Noise cancelling. Sige ganun.
Agapon.
Number 5.
And welcome mga ka-Asenso.
Okay kino.
Sa itong second quarter between Barangay Napulan and Barangay Balintawak. Ato score 16-17. 1-point lead by Barangay Balintawak. And a basket para sa Napulan. Grabbing the lead. Puerto with the ball. Opsima. Kalawan missing the floater. Offensive rebound by Garix Puerto. And a three-pointer missed by Balintawak. And the basket is good at may kasama pang foul. Veral will go to the free throw line para sa bonus throw. And now Opsima with the ball. And Opsima nails the jumper. And Calauan was fouled, mga ka-Asenso, and will go to the free throw area.
Foul number 12. Campanella, first personal foul, first big foul. Now, Roland.
Double M, commentator na. No? Double M.
Shot number 5. Big block.
And Puerto nails the first throw, mga ka-Asenso. Puerto sinks both free throws. Campaner, pass to Veral, jumper. Off the glass, no good. Rebound by Garrix Puerto. And Garrix Puerto, dumiretso. Nailing that layup. Now Castil with the ball. Nearly stolen by Opsima. Last touch, Balintawak. Ball possession will remain with Barangay Napulan. Six minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Still a close fight, mga ka-Asenso. Veral with the ball. And the fadeaway is no good. Opsima. Pass to Puerto. Puerto for 3. No good. Rebound by Garrix Puerto Jr. Cross-court pass to Opsima. Opsima for 3. Off the glass. Basket is in. And Campaner was fouled. So ball possession will remain with Barangay Napulan.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Balintawak.
Campaner with the ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. And Dingal with a pull-up jumper. Basket is good.
Big block.
Sisikan to Opsima. Off the screen. Inside pass to Calauan. Calauan was fouled underneath the rim. I will shoot 2 free throws, mga ka-Asenso. And now Gulde will check in para sa Barangay Napulan.
For number 6,
And Calauan nailing the first throw as we approach the 5-minute mark of our second quarter, mga ka-Asenso. And a 3-pointer miss by Castil and a putback by Morcilla. Still too early, mga ka-Asenso, to predict the game. And now Garrix Puerto on the low post. Layup is good. That may kasama pang foul. Garrix Puerto will go to the free throw line for the bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso. And now Kaang will check in para sa Napulan.
Number 23, Goldfish.
And Garrix Puerto missing the bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso. Campaner for 3, missed. Bola nakuha ni Gulde underneath the rim and he was fouled on the floor. Ball possession will remain with Barangay Napulan. Now Dengal, pull-up jumper, missed. Rebound by Garrix Puerto. Bola na kay Opsima. Opsima, nabitawan ng bola and a double dribbling violation called against Opsima. Turnover para sa Balintawak, mga ka-Asenso. Campaner, pass to Kaang. Kaang to Gulde. Gulde, turnaround, jumper, no good. Offensive rebound Campaner, pass to Dingal. And the jumper is good. Kalawan. And he was fouled.
Penalty.
And Barangay Napulan already on penalty situation, mga ka-Asenso, no? So Kalawan will shoot 2 free throws. And Kalawan sinks the first. Misses the second. Now Campaner, humihingi ng screen. Campaner, pass to Gulde. Gulde partially blocked by Garrix Puerto. And now ang bola na kay Kalawan for the easy layup. Excellent defense pinapakita ng Barangay Balintawak, mga ka-Asenso. Morcilla for 3. Kablam! Morcilla nails the 3-pointer para sa Napulan, mga ka-Asenso. And now Garrix Puerto answering back. No. Rebound by Campaner. And Campaner with a pull-up jumper. Missed. Bola nakuha ni Garrix Puerto. And ball was picked up by Gulde. Pass to Dingal. And Dingal nails the layup. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining sa itong second quarter. Bola ni Opsima. Opsima for 3, short. Rebound by Gulde. And Campaner with the ball. Kick out to Morcilla. And this time it's a miss. And there's a double foul called against Opsima and Kaang. So ball possession will remain with Barangay Napulan. Now Morcilla with the ball. 8 seconds to shoot and Dingal was fouled.
Foul number 19, Kalawan.
And Dingal sinks the first throw, mga ka-Asenso. 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. And Dingal sinks both free throws, mga ka-Asenso, giving Barangay Napulan a 3-point lead. And now Garrix Puerto with the ball, attacking the basket. Nabitawan ng bola. Bola nakuha ni Dingal. Dingal flying. Layup is good. And a backcourt violation called against Balintawak. And a timeout was called by Barangay Napulan with 47 seconds remaining sa atong second quarter. Ato score 39-34, 5-point lead by Barangay Napulan. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samiko. Yeah, shout out sa inyo shout out sa akong mga live feed viewers karon. Daghang kayong salamat sa pagtanaw. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to share this live feed and hit the follow button. Yeah, shout outs kay Carl Homer, kay AD Beats, kay X-Star, kay Odab San watching, kay Marjorie Marioga Gidaben sa Blue Cup, kay Kaka Marcaban, and kay Ace Gerald.
Shot clock violation.
Kay Boss Deo Makutay Go watching karon. And kay Jed Jasnes. Kay Boss Ace Gerald, congratulations. Bago lang ni siyang gikasal, no? And later na po datong mga shoutouts sa kay Back to the Ball Game sa ta. And the rebound by Golde. Long pass to Humantok. And that was our first half, mga kasenso. 41-34, 7-point lead by Barangay Napulan as we finish our second quarter. And stay tuned, we'll be right back for the rest of the ball game. Yes, and sa akong mga live feed viewers, maayong gabi. Shoutouts sa inyo ang tanan. Siyempre, shoutouts kay DJ Tip Pukoy, idol. Watching karon. And shoutouts po kay Shaning Ginya. Maayong gabi diya, tol. Watching karon. Commentator mode ta karon, mga tol. Yeah, shoutout guys sa akong batch dahil si Jed Michael Ikoy. Watching karon. Yes, shout out sa Brad kasi Ding Balaba. Maayong gabi mo na tol. Good evening, good evening. Siyempre, from CTO Babayo Chapter. And shout out po sa ito ang amigo no kasi Eduardo Cardenas. Pinaka the best Yeah, shoutout po dahil kay Roger dahil Bailon. May gabi ni mo rin atol, all the way from Danlugan. Yeah. Eduardo Cardenas, wanay kusog ang mga tuhod tol. Yayay ka diya. Diya ta maluya. Yes, and shoutouts po dahil sa akong Brad, si Eds Ramones. Ang prolific shooting guard sa Barangay Tiguma. Yeah, and shoutouts po kay EJ Alahenio. Yan. Hey, sa akong mga live feed viewers, guys, please share this live feed, guys, no? And shoutouts diay sa to ang live feed viewers no karon sa First Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Yes. Shoutouts sa mga viewers nato sa tong live feed broadcast sa game. And welcome sa tong third quarter mga ka-Ascenso no. And si Sikan missing the first throw mga ka-Ascenso. Huerto with a fall away, no good. Bola nakuha ni Veral, ni Humantok rather. And ang bola na kay Campaner. And Campaner driving off the glass, no good. Rebound by Garix Puerto. And the long pass to Kalawan for the easy layup. Dingal and a steal by Sisikan. Pass to Kalawan. Back-to-back basket para kay Kalawan. And a timeout called by Barangay Napulan. With just a minute passed by sa itong third quarter. Ato score 41-38. 4 points. 4-0 run by Barangay Balintawak to start our third quarter. And of course, shout out sa to ang live feed viewers, sa to ang broadcast feed sa ato ang First Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. And shoutouts po sa akong live feed karon. And now back to our ball game. Gulde for 3. No good. Rebound by Opsima. Opsima for 3. No good. Offensive rebound to Sikan and the follow-up is in. Gulde to Morcilla. Inside pass to Gulde. And a miscommunication right there para sa Barangay Napulan mga ka-Ascenso. Resulting into a turnover. So ball possession will go to Barangay Balintawak. 1 point lead by Barangay Napulan. Now Opsima. Kick out to Kalawan. Kalawan driving. Drop pass to Sisikan. Sisikan missing the pull-up jumper. Rebound by Campaner. Now Campaner with the ball. Ball picked up by Humantok, and Humantok scores the basket. Now Opsima para sa Balintawak. And Opsima with the floater. And the long pass to Humantok. Layup is good. Now Garix Puerto with the ball para sa Balintawak. Crossover. Driving. Turnaround. And he was fouled.
Substitution.
Now Garix Puerto will shoot 2 free throws, mga ka-Asenso, no? And Garix Puerto missing the second throw. Sisikan with the offensive rebound and the follow-up. Now Dengal with the ball, pass to Golde. To Morcilla. Morcilla for 3, missed. And Humantok stepped out of bounds
Substitution.
from the offensive rebound. So ball possession will go to Barangay Balintawak. With nearly 4 minutes gone by sa tuwang third quarter, mga ka-Asenso, we are tied at 45. Now Opsima to Puerto. Back to Opsima. And a turnover para kay Opsima, mga ka-Asenso. Bengal missing the pull-up jumper. The long pass to Kalawan. Kalawan with the layup. Another basket para kay Kalawan for third quarter para sa Balintawak, mga ka-Asenso. And now Humantok, pass to Dingal. Dingal driving. Veral missing the layup, mga ka-Asenso. Veral picks his own rebound and the reverse layup is in. And shoutouts kay Stanley watching right now, mga ka-Asenso, no? Watching siya sa tuwang game. Kalawan. Kick out pass to Opsima. Opsima. Drop pass to Kalawan. Missed the layup and a shot clock violation called against Balintawak.
Substitution.
And shoutouts kay Attorney Francis Alex Tahud watching karon. Now Castil, pass to Humantok, to Veral, and a steal by Garix Puerto. Garix Puerto with a layup. And the basket is in. Now Castil with the ball. And a traveling violation called against Castil. Another turnover para sa Napulan, mga ka-Asenso. With 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining sa tuwang third quarter. Saison with the ball. Pass to Sisikan. Back to Puerto. Inside pass to Saison. And the reverse layup is good. Now Gulde attacking. Euro step. Layup. Missed. Bola nakuha ni Puerto. Layup missed. Rebound by Veral. And now Campaner and the Napolan are running, mga ka-Asenso. Campaner. Teardrop, no good. Castel with the follow-up. Now Garrix Puerto, one-on-one with Veral. Iwan ka sa ere. Garrix Puerto finishing that basket. Now Dingal, on the other hand, answers back. And now mga ka-Asenso, it turned out to be an open court for both teams, mga ka-Asenso. And a traveling violation called against Saison with 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining sa 1/3 quarter.
Substitution. Ipino versus Hika.
And shoutouts kay Mark Gonzalez Amantiad and kay Elgin Kevin Nasilia. Good evening, watching sila karon. Shoutouts nyo dia. Now Garrix Puerto with the ball para sa Balintawak. Garrix Puerto for 3. No good. Rebound by Gulde. Now Campaner with the ball. Campaner driving. Layup no good. And last touch. Veral. Ball possession will go to Barangay Balintawak. We are currently tied at 53, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now Opsima. Opsima for 3. No good. Rebound by Campaner. And the long pass to Dingal. Dingal with a layup missed. Castil with offensive rebound. Missing the putback. And Dingal recovers and finishes the basket. And a steal by Veral. Now Veral attacking the hoop. Blocked by Opsima. But the referee says Veral was fouled.
Substitution.
So Veral will shoot 2 free throws, mga ka-Asenso.
Personal foul. First team foul.
And shoutouts niya, isa kong brad, no? Gael Ando Peralta of Team Balangasan. Yes, capital S mo diya, tol.
9 remaining. 49 seconds.
And Veral nails the second throw. Puerto. Layup missed, but he was fouled.
Foul number 20.
And Puerto
Second personal foul.
missing the first throw, mga ka-Asenso. And Puerto nails the second. 40 seconds remaining sa 1/3 quarter. Campaner with the ball. Drop pass to Humantok. Humantok, short ng layup. And the long pass to Puerto. Puerto for 3. Kablam! Puerto nailing the 3-pointer from the corner. And now Humantok. And a steal by Puerto. Pass to Garrix Puerto Jr. And Jimeno nailing that layup. Beating the buzzer, mga ka-Asenso. And that was our 3rd quarter at the score, 57-59. 2-point lead by Barangay Balintawak.
Vice field.
And shoutouts dahil sa akong live feed viewers, no? Shoutouts kay Idol Bebe Uba watching karon. Shoutouts kay Boss Arcoy, Arnel Joe Arcoy, watching karon. And syempre, sa ko ang co-commentator day, nga off-duty na karon. Watching karon si Gabriel. Mayang gabiin nyo diya, sir. And sa itong live feed viewers, sa itong game broadcast, syempre, please don't forget to support Ascenso Sports Channel. Who brings you the live telecast of our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. And of course, shoutouts kay John Santa Teresa Vicente from Zamboanga City. Buenas noches. And welcome sa tong fourth and final quarter. Dingal missing that jumper. And Garrix Puerto nails another basket. Now Gulde with the ball. Three-pointer. Kablam! Gulde exploding with a three-pointer, mga ka-Ascenso, by the start of our fourth quarter. Now Puerto answering. No good. Rebound by Gulde. Now Campaner to Gulde. Gulde. Side step. No good. And Morcilla with the follow-up. Now Garrix Puerto Jr. To Saison. Pass to Puerto for 3. No good. Rebound by Gulde. 2 straight missed by Puerto. Now Campaner with the ball. Off the screen. Campaner driving. Layup is in. And a timeout was called by Barangay Balintawak with nearly 2 minutes gone through our fourth quarter. At to score 64-61. 3-point lead by Barangay Napulan. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger. Mr. Burger at Daddy Burger ng bayan.
Please make us real human. Stevie Gonzalez. Stop.
Now back to our ball game. Ball possession sa Barangay Balintawak. Garrix Puerto, pass to Opsima. 7 seconds to shoot. Opsima, inside pass to Garrix Puerto and a shot clock violation, mga ka-Ascenso. Now Campaner with the ball. Three-pointer. Campaner missed. Rebound by Sisikan. Garrix Puerto. Layup missed. Offensive rebound by Sisikan. Ball stolen by Campaner. And now Dingal with the layup. Now Kalawan. Drop pass to Sisikan. And the basket is good. 3-point lead by Barangay Napulan. Now Dingal with a jumper. Missed. Offensive rebound by Gulde. Put back, no good. And last touch, Barangay Napulan.
Substitution. Number 9, Vino. Number 16, Opsima.
And shoutouts dahil sa itong live feed viewers dahil shoutouts kay Epers Maligaya Darby, maing gabi diya. Shoutouts kay John Santa Teresa Vicente and kay Ken Casinillo watching karon. And another basket para sa Balintawak, mga kasenso. And now Castil driving. Layup missed. Bola nakuha ni Calawon and he was fouled by Castil.
Foul number 60. First personal foul. First big foul. Napola.
Now Puerto with the ball.
Shot clock 8. 5.
Driving. Garrix Puerto with the layup. And Gulde missing the three-pointer, mga kasenso. And Sisikan with the easy basket. And a timeout was called by Barangay Napulan. So we have just passed by our 5-minute mark of our final quarter. Mga kasenso, ato score 66-69. 3-point lead by Barangay Balintawak. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. And of course, shoutout sa akong live feed viewers, no? Shoutouts kay DJ Lacey Maski from Davao. Yeah, shoutouts kay Brad Shumoy Legaspi. Yeah, Dong John Anthony. Thank you, Idol. Okay na. Why problema? And a miss by Napulan. Jimeno with the ball. Pass to Calawon. Calawon off the glass. Layup missed. And last touch Balintawak. Ball possession will go to Napulan. Yeah, shoutouts Darby. Watching karon. Now Campaner with the ball. Off the screen. Fade away. No good. Bola nakuha ni Garrix Puerto. Pass to Sisikan. To Sisikan to Calawon. Turn around. And ball blocked by Morcilla. Now Gulde to Morcilla. Layup missed. And there's a loose ball foul called against Napulan, mga kasenso. Yeah, shoutout sa Team San Jose, kila Epers Maligaya and sa Uba Brothers. Siyempre kay Felsi Choi Manggubat. Now Jimeno with the ball, driving, turn around, layup, no good. Sisikan with a putback, missed. And Jimeno gets the offensive rebound. Bola napunta kay Sisikan. Pass to Sisikan. To Calawon. And a traveling violation called against Calawon. Now Gulde. And another turnover para sa Napulan. Sisikan with the ball. And a shot clock violation called against Balintawak. Now Dingal with the ball. And a steal by Garrix Puerto, and he was fouled. And syempre, shoutout sa itong live feed viewers do, kay Maki Miller, kay John Levincin, kay Eric Christopher Soriano. Shoutouts ni mo diya, tol. Mayang gabi diya. And of course, atong live feed viewers, no, please do share our live feed, mga kasenso. Dako na kayo nangatabang. And you can also send stars. And a timeout was called by Barangay Napulan with 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining sa tuwang ball game. Ato score 66-69. 3-point lead by Barangay Balintawak. And this timeout is brought to us by LGL Construction. Bola sa Balintawak.
Last 2 minutes. These last minutes will be over.
And Puerto was fouled.
Stopping goal. Making your stopping sensible.
And shoutout sa utol si Melvin Abukay. Good evening dia. Now Kalawan for 3. No good. Rebound by Dingal. As we enter our final 2 minutes of our ball game, brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Honorable City Councilor Sam Tayraco. An excellent defense pinakita ni Garrix Puerto. And Opsima missing that layup. Back to Opsima. Opsima for 3. No good. Rebound by Veral. Pass to Campaner. Campaner to Dingal. Layup missed. Morcilia with a putback. Puerto to Sisikan. And a miss. Bola na kay Dingal. Pass to Campaner. 40 seconds remaining. Campaner. And Campaner was fouled.
First personal foul. First team foul. Balintawak.
Yes, watching karon si Vince Smoke Books. Shoutouts to all. Watching here sa balay kay Gaulan. Yes, yes. And Campaner nails the first throw. Misses the first throw rather. And Campaner missing both free throws. Bola nakuha ni Veral. Layup no good. Rebound by Garrix Puerto. Bola na kay Opsima. Pass to Garrix Puerto. Puerto. Off the glass. Basket is good. And a timeout was called by Barangay Napulan with 21 seconds remaining sa itong ball game. Ato score 68-71. 3-point lead by Barangay Balintawak. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. Yes, salute tol, salute Vince Smoke Books.
Shot clock 40. 40 seconds to shoot.
Yes, shout out sa team Upper Sibatang. And Morcilia was fouled beyond the arc. He will shoot 3 free throws. This game is far from over yet, mga kasenso. And Marsilia nails the first throw, cutting the lead down to 2. Nailing these 3 free throws, mga kasenso, will tie the ball game. And Marsilia misses the second. 16 seconds remaining sa itong ball game. And Marsilia missing the third throw. And the rebound by Opsima, and he was fouled. And the final timeout called by Barangay Balintoak with 12 seconds remaining sa itong ball game at a score 69-71. 2-point lead by Barangay Balintawak. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And ang bola na kay Garix Puerto, and he was fouled immediately. And Garix Puerto missing the first throw. Garix Puerto gets his own rebound. And finishing the basket. And a steal by Kalawan. And Kalawan missing the first throw. And that was our ball game, mga kasenso, no? Final score 69-73, winner Barangay Balintawak.
This is from Yuan, Taylor, Tommy Paul, and Taylor Tommy Acespa.
Thank you.